Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. This is Jim Hanson coming to you from Academy Mortgage with your Friday installment of Mortgage, Real Estate, and Life. Been doing some life stuff the past few weeks, getting into some mortgage and real estate stuff. So here we go. I love education. Can you figure it out that I love educating people and consumers and realtor partners and other referral partners? I love it. So thanks for tuning in. So today is Golden State Finance Authority, who is they offer down payment assistance, they offer closing cost assistance, and you don't have to be a first-time home buyer. A couple options I want to talk about today are, so in January, they came out with where they're allowing 2 to 4 unit purchase, owner occupied with down payment assistance. So you can have a 5% down payment, grab some down payment assistance or closing cost assistance from Golden State Finance Authority and buy a 2 to 4 unit property. You do have to live in it in one of the units. So it's super cool. The other option is USDA, United States Department of Agriculture. So in certain areas in California, you can do a 100% loan. No money down loan with USDA. You can also do that in conjunction with a Golden State Finance Authority second to cover closing costs. Pretty cool, right? Then if you want to, get a seller credit, and that's the seller's going to negotiate that, you could do that also with USDA loan and come in with almost no money down. I wouldn't say no money down, but because there's certain things that go on, and the assistance you choose might not cover everything, but it's going to be close. So those are my two options for Golden State Finance Authority and USDA. What I want to do is, I love education. I've got all kinds of educational videos on YouTube. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're going to have to go there. Jim Hanson, just go on YouTube, search Jim Hanson Academy Mortgage. You'll see me, subscribe, look at all the videos I have available for you, and enjoy. All right, I'm out. Happy Friday. Again, Jim Hanson, Academy Mortgage, 916-730-4402, jimhanson.net on the web, and enjoy. Thanks for tuning in. Take care.